Okay, this is classwork. I assume you know how to write a linear equation for this line of best fit right here. I would choose this dot and this dot to find my rate of change, 0, 0, and 10, 150. Find the rate of change and write a linear equation. Okay, here's where a lot of you on the test, I see mistakes, but I gave you 3 out of 4 instead of 1, but on the next test you will get a 1 when you don't use corresponding sides and to set the proportion, okay? Because a lot of you are using other ways of doing it. I need you to use corresponding. You need to know the word corresponding is very important. You want to find the distance of DE here. Okay, to do this, what helps is these triangles up here. This should help you here to draw your triangle. It says, see this shaped triangle? So your triangle, C-A-C-E, A-C-E. So you put that there, A-C-E. Okay, it's similar to this little squiggly line. Okay, I'll bring it down. Triangle, B. I'm going to erase this. So triangle, B, C, D. So you draw that triangle. Okay. B, C, D. Okay. Well, this length is 5, so you put 5 there. This length from C to D is 4, 4 there. Now the big triangle, A, C, and E, A, C, and E, this length, AE, right here is 10. This length is unknown because this is missing, so we give it a question for the whole entire thing. Okay, so we're finding this length here, CE. Okay, let's mark this off. CE. So CE is the same position as CD. So you put CE over CD. Most of second period students didn't have trouble doing this. First period, you guys have a lot of trouble doing corresponding sides. That's not necessarily good. Okay? And then we know that the other one we know is AE, which is 10, and it's BD. So that's equal to AE over BD. Okay, BD is 5. So substitute the numbers in. ED CE is unknown. CD is 4 equals AE, which is 10, over BD, which is 5. So AE 10, BD 5. Okay? Cross cancel. Cross multiply. So you get 40 equals to 5 CE. Divide by 5, divide by 5. CE equals to 8. Reasonable, because this is 2 This has to be 8 to also be 2. Makes 2, and 8 over 4 makes 2, so they equal. So now they're not asking for CE. The whole thing here is 8. Therefore, the missing side is 4, because 4 plus 4 is 8. The length, the distance of CDE is 4 centimeters. Forget the units. Okay? Solve opposite sides of geometric figures are parallel. Suppose the measure of angle M is 30 degrees. So angle M, 30 degrees. Solve for the measurement of angle G, E, and O. Okay? G, E, and O. All three angles. Okay? What we need to do then is pretend that these lines go on forever. Drawing it on your lines, parallel to each other. And these lines also goes on forever. Okay. Make it straighter. Okay. Knowing that, here then is our transversal line right here. Same side interior angles. It says explain your reason. Same side interior angle equals to 180 degrees. So we can use that rule for this. We can use the rule of same side interior angles measures equals to 180 degrees. So if measurement of angle M is 30 degrees, measurement angle M is 30 degrees, then the measurement of angle then angle G has to be 150 to make 180, because together it's 150 plus that is 180, right? Because same side interior equals to 180. If you look at your definition from yesterday's notes, very important. Okay, so same thing here. This is a transversal line right here. Same side interior makes 180. If that's 30, that has to be 150 also. So, and measurement and angle O is also 150 degrees using this rule. And therefore, if angle O is 150 degrees, then same side interior angle, still the same, measurement of angle E is 30 degrees, makes 180. Okay? All right. Okay, forget this place. I did another video using that and it took too long, so we're not. We're going to use determine any rule you would like. We know vertical angles, right here, these angles, are congruent. So this must be 34 degrees. and these are called same side exterior angle right here. Same side exterior angle equals to 180 degrees. So therefore, to be 180, this needs to be the measurement of angle 2 is then 156 degrees. Okay, that makes 180. Oh, I need to write my degrees a little bit smaller. And these two angles right here are congruent to each other, vertical angles. So 146 degrees. And if you add these two to each other right here, the side by side, if you add to that, it's 180, just like this one, 180. Makes it 360. See that? Makes it reasonable, right? Check and make sure. So, alternate interior, this is alternate interior, are congruent. So that has to be 146 degrees. And this is congruent, alternate interior right here, right there are congruent, 34 degrees. Okay, and vertical angles are congruent, so these have to be congruent right there. Okay, they are congruent. Okay, now same side exterior angle has to equal to 180 degrees. So let's find what x is. X plus 100 equals to 180 degrees. So 2x plus 100 equals to 180 minus 100. 2x equals to 80. Divide by 2. X then is 40 degrees. So this measurement of angle 4 is 40 degrees. Therefore, if this is 40, then it must be 100 and measurement of angle. Okay, let's put this down. Measurement of angle 4 equals to 40. Measurement of angle 3 is 140, because together they need to make 180 degrees. Okay? And then vertical angles are congruent. So measure angle 2 is 40. And these two right here are congruent. This is 140, the other one is also 140, measurement angle 3. Okay, measurement of angle 1. Okay, so this is 40, this is 140. Okay, alternate interior, this and that. Well, I use another color, blue. Alternate interior are congruent, so this has to be 40. Measurement of angle 8 should be 40. And this here and this here are congruent. Alternate interior angle 7 is 140. And then we can do vertical angles. These are congruent. So angle 6 is 40. And this is congruent. Angle 5 is 140 degrees. We listed all our angles. Yay! That's how you do that. Okay, let's extend this one too if we need to. Let's see. In this figure, AB, line segment AB is parallel to line segment CD. And these are perpendicular to each other. CE and DE. Oh, that makes that corner, this corner right here, 90 degrees. Okay, solve for x. Let's solve for what we know. Okay, let's look at this. Alternate, same side exterior. This makes 180 degrees. So this has to be 48 degrees. Add that, makes 180. We're good. Okay, we could find measurement of angle B here because they all add up to 180. So 90 for this one here, 48 for this one here, and that's 138 for two sides. So to find this, because a triangle makes 180, 180 minus 138, 42 degrees. And look, alternate exterior angle are congruent. So x is 42 degrees. Okay, this one here, let's extend this. Always extend your lines, because it can go on forever and ever and ever. Alrighty. We know that this is 130 because if we get rid of this, we focus on this parallel, alternate interior are congruent. So therefore, this one in here is 50 degrees, right? And the missing angles here. So that's 116. Second time I'm doing this at 2 in the morning, so I'm a little tired, guys. No, this is 66 degrees. Okay, let's do this. 100. 4, 6, 64. 64 degrees. Okay, and that's it, right? Oh, we can find x. Because now, you guys can find x, because this is 100, same side, x interior, or exterior, same side. They make 180, so 180 minus 64. 116 degrees. So x equals to 116 degrees. Okay, and that's your note. Can't promise anything. I may not have time to post.